Hi, I'm approaching the Loczy house in Budapest here for a training at the Emmi Pikler house where they have studied healthy development of babies for over 80 years. So I feel really privileged to be here today for this training course, learning what's best for babies, how to create environments where babies develop in a healthy way. This is incredibly important work, and I'm so proud to be here and bring. Hi, I'm at the Loczy house here in Budapest, Emmi Pikler's Child Care Center and Institute, where they've studied the healthy development of babies and children here for over 80 years. So I feel really privileged to be here working with the pedagogues, learning their methodology to take back and share with our colleagues in New York. So I'm at the Pikler house and we just completed our introductions, and as you can see, the school is on a mountain on the pest side of Budapest, and there are educators from the UK, Australia, New Zealand, from the United States, from UK, from around the world, learning this very important approach for caring for children, birth to. So this is what the classroom looks like. We're on a little short break because it took us so long to introduce ourselves. Everyone had so much important stuff to share. Some of the major concerns were consistency, how to implement the approach consistently, inspiration, how to inspire other caregivers to implement the approach, and also just a general wanting to learn more. We're just finishing our first session with Maria. It was a wonderful session about the history of the Pikler Institute, which was really incredible to learn how they adapted and changed as they learned what was best for children. Very inspiring.
Yeah, you did. And you brought your baby?
The grounds of the Pikler house are very beautiful and very serene. This is a house that was given to Emmi Pikler to start the infants' home right after World War II in 1946. And they've operated out of the same site and developed this pedagogy for supporting children from 0 to 3. It's on a hillside in a beautiful neighborhood in Budapest. This is the site of the Emmi Pikler house where the infants' house was housed. Starting in 1946, Emmi Pikler was given this house by the government to run an orphanage that would support the healthy development of the children who had been left without families after the war. And that's how Emmi Pikler developed her incredible approach, her incredible care system for supporting children birth to 3. So I'm leaving the Pikler house for the day, and the thing that I learned today that I think was most important was that this philosophy, this approach, this pedagogy developed over time and through observation, trying something, seeing how it worked, and then tweaking it to make sure that it worked better, always keeping in mind what was going to be best for the child.